Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a journal with you. This one I have made as part of a swap that I hosted over on the Junk Journal Junkies group on Facebook, and I don't normally get a partner. It always works out that I host them but sometimes don't get a partner. Actually, a majority of the time I don't get a partner. So anyway, this one, and I normally start the journals. Anyway, this time around I thought, oh, as usual, I probably won't get a partner. Well, I did get a partner this time. So my partner is called Brooke, and Brooke, if you're watching this, I hope you like it. So I hadn't actually made it when when the swap ended and I was giving out partners for the swap. So anyway, it's done now, and it is the 7th today, and it's going in the post this afternoon, which was the deadline for shipping things out. So anyway, here we go. The swap was Christmas in July. It was a 6x4 traditional vintagey Christmas journal. So here's mine. I've used this from Artymaze. Found this kind of rustic looking little piece of material, ribbon, rope, whatever it's called, and so a quick little flip there. Oh, I have got a cluster for that. Oh, I think I've put it away. Because last night I was absolutely knackered, and I put the cluster away, and I put it to the side, and then I tidied up, and I probably put it away. So I'll dig out the cluster that's going to go on here. So there, and then that can become like a tuck in there as well. So that's more or less just decorative. That's for writing. Here we've got pockets, and I have used Artymaze's various Christmas kits, and I've used mine, which I'll link Artymaze below with the Christmas kits, and I'll link my Christmas kit that I done. I've got two, but I've only got one on Etsy at the moment. Transferring some things over to Etsy. So I resined these. These are little tickets from Artymaze, and I just put a jump ring on and then onto a paper clip. I don't know who that's from. I've had it years. It's from Etsy, but I don't know who. That's from my Old Time Christmas, it's called. This is from Artymaze. This is from Tsunami Rose, and I believe that's Artymaze. We've got a square paper, a ruffle here. We've got a little pocket there with various pieces. This is one of Artymaze's as well. And in fact, all of that is Artymaze. It's a special delivery. So there is lots of pockets in this one. I can't remember let me have a quick look, because I'm on there. What did I say you had to do? So it was 1 stone in signature, 10 pages folded in half to give 40 sides, a minimum of 10 pockets, tucks, 15 tags. Use some lace trims or paper ruffles, fabric ruffles, and some bead dangles. It says 4, I've done 3, so I'll add another one because I've got them sat there. So that's just a little bit of paper. So that will teach me to read my own instructions. Tag from Artymaze. These pockets again are from my Old Time Christmas kit. This is Artymaze. It's one of the Christmas collage kits. There's a flip out here, pocket there. That's from my Christmas kit. The tags from Artymaze. Then we have pocket there and a pocket here. I think that's where that's supposed to go. There, I'm going to have to put some more tags in this. I think that goes in there just nicely. So it's a little piece. It says Christmas greetings. We'll put that in there. This is from Tsunami Rose. That tag is from my Old Time Christmas kit. These are from Artymaze. Again, another dangle on there. They're double-sided. And here, tag from one of Artymaze's Christmas kits. This is from mine. Like I said, I will link them below. That's from my kits. Square paper, centre of the signature, a couple of little dangles in there. I could class them as dangles. They're dangles, aren't they? Tags and ephemera here. That's from my kit. That's my kit. Artymaze, and in there we've just got some paper, and I've just put one of these little square paper if you can't see. Lighting it's a horrible day today, but we're to have a great big heat wave again next week. Well, it's not horrible outside, it's just cloudy. It's fresh, which I think we needed because it was, oh, it's getting awful. It's getting like suffocating. Another flip here, pocket there, tag there. That's from my kit. This is Artymaze. Here, oh, and I did put one in there. Another one of my tags, and that's my tags. That's Artymaze. And Artymaze, that's the vintage Christmas vintage days. I love the vintage days kit, and so when she brought the Christmas one out, I was delighted. So I'll link, yeah, there will be one link below to all Artymaze's Christmas kits. And if you're interested in mine, I'll put that below. Ruffle here, tag, another little dangle charm thing. Tsunami Rose. Tsunami Rose is also linked below. Here's my dog barking. Envelope. I need to put something in there. I've got something right here. I just need to find that cluster. I hope I've just had a big clear out and put a lot of stuff in a black sack to get rid of, and it's out the back, and I hope I haven't thrown it in there. And the back there. Do some journaling on here. So there we go. And I'll find that. If I can't find it, I'll just make a new one, won't I? That's just come off. I'll put that back on. So there we go. That is the journal. I hope Brooke likes it, and I'm looking forward to getting mine as well. So thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.